very it is my pleasure to be a part of this meeting today. Sugu has been asking me to join the meeting, and you guys have been doing wonderful job. To be very honest, and I'm very proud of all these sessions which you guys are doing. I'm here, and because if I'm here, let me give you two or three updates, which probably I believe you guys have or not update don't have, but my next Zoom will be on this update. The first update is that we have made to the first index of Nomics. So you can open Nomics and you can see ECN about ECN and the marketplaces. We made to the first decentralized exchange also. It's Yobit, which is a tier 8 exchange. And we have come up with the four different pairs on Yobit with USD, Dodge, Ethereum, and other one more. It's waves. So we have like four more pairs available. And from your bit, we will be going to the tier 9 exchange, which is KuCoin in next 2 months. And Nomics is world third marketplace. Number one is CoinMarketCap, number two is CoinGecko, and number three is Nomics. So you can go on nomics.com and you can type ECN and you will have all the information of ECN at one place. If somebody is asking you about ECN, you can just send that link and you have everything, all the marketplace, volume, trading, price, in which pairs we have, in what exchanges we are in. And so the hardest part for any cryptocurrency is the first qualification, because not most, approximately all of the exchanges and these indexes, they have a very standard parameters of accepting the a very standard parameters of listing a coin and everything. So I mean, if you make to any good exchange and the index, you are qualified automatically for a couple of them. So the hardest part is completed. That is very important. So you can go and check Nomics. It will give you everything about ECN that you need to know at one place. With all the informations, you have different currency converters. You can convert in INR. You can see in every different currencies in terms of the growth and rate of ECN and everything. And this is the ice breaking success for us, because this is where you have to comply with the most standard parameters which we have complied with. And it is now you are more than just a smart contract. Now you are a real cryptocurrency when you get your indexes cleared. Because when you go on troniscan.org, you have like 2 3, when you type ECN, you have copycats, you have 2 3 people to the same name of ECN, same logo. But this is the validation which gives you Sugu, if you can make me co-host, I can share my screen and show it. So you have to just go to Nomics, which is a US based uh, marketplace. And this is very beautifully designed. It's like Coin Market Cap. It gives all the data for all the currencies at one place. And it is world number third market data aggregator, the first the index, and it's US index that we have qualified. Here you can type any currency and you can type ECN. So if you type ECN here, you just see one ECN, because your smart contract is being validated here. You click on this point and you will see everything. You can select your currency from here. You can type INR and it will be in INR rupees. You will see all the database in INR, your chart, your daily, you can see the price updates you can get from here. All the information of ecoin network, price, when it was high, low, volume, trading, everything, supply, then on which exchanges it is listed, and what is the volume on exchanges it is doing. So far today we have completed 58 lakhs rupees of volume in just like 5 6 hours. You go down, you have all the information, your network, your smart contract address, your block explorer, Twitter account, Telegram, symbol, website, your GitHub code, and everything. You have all the informations at one place. And this is your marketplace. You can see on JustSwap, you have ECN TRX pair. On Yobit, which is tier 8 exchange from China and Russia. It's a centralized exchange. You have, yesterday we just listed, we have ECN Ethereum, and the price of ECN Ethereum is 122 rupees, ECN USD, and ECN Ruby. So you have more marketplaces open. It's a centralized exchange. Yobit, you can go on Yobit and you can create your account, and you can go to the market, you can type ECN, and you can see all these pairs of ECN, 1, 2, 3, Dodge, Waves, Ruby. ECN Bitcoin is also now available here. So we are doing multi-coin trading here. Some of the informations have needed to be uploaded, and the wallet is right now under maintenance. Very soon guys will be able to trade on the centralized exchange also, the way you do on Binance or Wajirex. This is the same exchange. After this exchange, this is the child for KuCoin, which is tier 9 exchange, which comes just after the Binance. So if you have 2 months or 3 months of technical and trading history with this exchange, it's very easy for us to go to a KuCoin, which is tier 9 exchange. Here you can see the volume, open price, high price, low price, closing volume, each and everything of every day of like 5-7 days. Like we are approximately doing 10 to 15 million rupees of daily volume on exchange, which is a very huge number in terms of a recently launched coin. And so you can just, it's your first validation, which makes you a real project more than just smart contract address. It is your recognition in the market. Apart from it, today also we had this announcement that ECN will be accepted as a payment gateway for eOracle also. This is a big news, my friends, that the way you are doing the deposits in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron, the very same way, in 1 week, you will have your ECN TRC20 wallet integrated with the service APIs to your dashboard. User can transfer the ECN from their Tron Link Pro wallet to your eOracle dashboard wallet, and you can use that for activation. This decision has been made because this will remove the bad marketing of EPT in the market, which many people call money circulation. When you do wallet to wallet transactions and you sell EPTs, instead of EPTs, you can do the transactions with the ECN, because suppose if I have to activate a commander account, Sugu can, instead of asking Sugu for EPT, Sugu can send me ECN in my Tron Link Pro wallet. From my Tron Link Pro wallet, I'm going to deposit the ECN to my dashboard. I'm going to convert it to EPT, and I'm going to activate my account. Also, the people who have ECNs in their wallet, as the money will grow, you can use, as the price will grow, you can use the ECN with the grown price to do the activation. So this will make a lot of holders of ECN in the market. That's the first thing that we're gonna see very soon. In a week, this will be available. Your mining collection button will be available day after tomorrow. So you will be able to click on your mining, the way you have team collection button, the same way you will have the mining collection button. And the structure, which is a computer generated structure, you will be able to collect the mining income at one place in terms of ECN. Sorry, at one place in your mining wallet. So we have been very excited to see ECN as a payment gateway for eOracle, because that will bring a lot of buyers of ECN in the market and many holders, and also that will increase our number of wallets in the market, and that will make you decentralized, and that will make you away from the EPT rotation in the wallet. So this will stop 70 to 80% of EPT rotation, because people will convert their EPT to ECN, and because ECN is used for joining also. And I believe the fall of ECN is not a fall of ECN. It's basically the correction of price of ECN, you have seen that it is in between 0.8 to $0.9. It is not going down. So when your price was very up, then a few people were having the ECN only. Now, as more people are getting the ECN, we are moving towards we are moving towards more corrected price of ECN. And once the price correction will be there, you will see growth. Even today, we are expecting that this week on the withdrawal, the price is going to be sustained. It will not go down because we have seen a big correction in price. So this is a very big news that will change the mindset of the market, that every Monday when payout goes, the ECN price drops because correction was not there. So now we have this price correction. I'm expecting in between 10 to 15% of a curve, like 10 to 15% minus to 10 to 15% plus. We will be able to do the ECN this week after having this very nice price correction. So that will change the mindset of whole market, and people will see that the price is not dropping even on Monday. That's the biggest achievement for us that we're gonna see, and it will change the mindset of our affiliates and everyone. Apart from it, I believe as the announcement has been already made on the website, you will see that you will be able to transfer ECN from your TronLink Pro wallet to your user ECN wallet on your wallet. So it's big news, and this makes you more decentralized. ECN, you can send cross border also, and it's like you're dealing with the proper cryptocurrencies. And I believe that is some of the biggest news that we have been expecting for the next month of July. And apart from this, regarding your Moscow event, the Immortals have already been informed, and they're going to inform you about the qualification criteria. Just one thing I want to say, that this time we will have top 50 performers on the stage. It has nothing to do with the person is relic or legend or immortal. The top 50 performers will be on the stage and will getting the reward and recognition. We have more than 150 immortals in our system. Even we will have in total 50 people. So you have a chance to stand out, and you have a chance to show that you are the top performer. So we will have 50 top performers from old team and 50 top performers from new team that will go on the stage and get the recognition. We will have a very good jury for the Moscow event. Kindly understand your targets and the people who are gonna outperform their targets, because this is on top performance. It has nothing to do with the rank. It has nothing to do with the volume. It is just that how good you have performed above your target. Suppose your target is, let's say, 100,000 mega point. And by the 20th of July, you have supersede your volume and you have done $250,000 of volume. So you are like, you have achieved 2.5 times of your target, which makes you a very big performer. Because for the immortals, performing at that extent will be very hard. So it is a big opportunity for the people who are in the race of becoming immortal to get the rewards and recognition on the stage. It will bring a lot of credit to your face, because this event is going to be a very mega event where we will have real blockchain speakers and academy and some very nice jury coming from different countries, some vice presidents coming from the countries, some government officials coming from different countries I'm talking to. So I believe that is the this is the content for my next Zoom. But as I've been invited here today, so I have already disclosed my content for the next Zoom. And thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
थैंक यू करण सर. ओ माय गॉड, मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था आप ब्लॉकचेन समिट में था. एंड मैं 7:15 को मीटिंग चालू किया था एंड मोर देन 600 पीपल हो गया है. मैं अभी तक उसको नहीं बोला था वो करण सर आएगा करके नहीं बोला.
I've seen your screenshot that you had 600 plus people in your Zoom meeting. We have more than hundreds of Zoom meetings going on every day. Many leaders are doing their Zooms, and this is what makes your system very decentralized, and it's very big. Also, we are having so many tools in different languages coming in next 10, 12 days, which will make your business a lot easier. It is going to be very corporate tools. You can follow these corporate tools to create content of videos and marketing in your regional languages also. You can follow these content. It's going to be very helpful for you to grow your teams. Apart from this, I believe yes, so that is, and also with our Africa Blockchain Summit today, as I have already got my place, and it was 15 minutes where I spoken already, and you have already seen me talking about Blockchain Academy in joint venture with a couple of the governments. We are starting with Africa, with Morocco, Congo, Uganda, where we are coming up with the joint venture with the government to open a Blockchain Academy and train their officials, train their bureaucrats, train their centralized system bodies, and also training their citizens, which will make your system very big. And on a very huge scale, it will be recognized because you are in joint ventures with the government. And this academy will be global academy, but one by one we are targeting the countries, and we are opening our blockchain parks in those countries and running our academy. This will bring you a very big decentralized community, and people will be not only understanding and learning about the knowledge and this project, not this project, in whole cryptocurrency and blockchain space, but they will also get a chance to create their wealth and secure their future wealth. So this announcement on blockchain, Africa Blockchain Summit, I have given just because of we already got the approval from some of the governments to joint venture with them on creating this academy. This will make your company face in the market on a very huge and organized way, and will give you a lot of credits when you are doing the marketing in the market and talking about your company, talking about your project. These things are one of the biggest tools that you can use in order to talk about the sustainability of your project and the growth of your project and the recognition of your project in various countries on this big scale. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर करण सर थैंक यू सो मच क्या बोलने का मेरे मालूम नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन आप दिन
No,
में
no, no.
इतना
You just carry on. You just carry on with your schedule, my friends. If somebody has any question, I can allow two questions to be asked if you speak English, because I really don't understand. Or I can have some translator here who can translate Kannada to me in
yes
English. Yes, please. Anyone can ask me one or two questions. James, you can ask me. Yes.
Hello. Hi. Um,
Yeah. Hello, bro.
so I just have one quick question because I was looking at the current situation, and I'm not sure if this is the time to ask this question, but I just wanted to know, because of China's huge mining process, most of the cryptocurrencies are, like hit, the mining process is kind of hit. So I'm just curious if this is the right time to ask, like, what would be the next process, or what would happen next?
Well, this thing is not happened for the first time over a period of last like 10 years. This has happened like 5 to 10 times. China has done it before, US has done it before, Korea has done it before. Some of the Soviet Russian countries have done it before. And because of POS technology, which is proof of stake, and your masternode technology, which does not need any machine to mine the project, which is a big and there are also other blockchains are in the market now, which are basically not needing any graphic cards or machines. However, mining is, let me tell you this in a very easy way so that you can understand. The ecosystem of cryptocurrency and blockchain has become very big now. It has become so big that it's next to impossible to stop it. If the steps that the government is taking now, if they have taken it before, they have taken it before already, but they couldn't stop it. Now ecosystem is very big. Many big governments have started integrating blockchain technology to their project and cryptocurrencies. It's too late for such discussions, but you need to also understand that when some big institute with the $1 billion of investment, when they try to come into the market as a buyer, these kind of things, the countries and the banks, they do that, they say few things to panic the market to buy the crypto at the bottom price. So this is a very proven strategy in the past. Whenever any big institute comes to in cryptocurrency space, this thing happen. And then they announce that some big institute has bought $1 billion of Bitcoin or invested $1 billion of Bitcoins in the past. So it's very late, brother. Uh, the price is a trading asset. It's a high risk industry. However, if you look at the longer period of time, instead of looking at just 1 week or 1 month of cryptocurrency performance, if you still look at 1 year of performance, you are still sitting at more than 4 times of profit, 5 times of profit. I'm just talking about Bitcoin. In terms of Ethereum, you are sitting at 10 times of profit. So we need to get rid of this small time period of performance of any project. It is a parallel economy. You don't have any other economy in last 1 year who have given a growth of 5, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times. So instead of looking at a week or month performance, you should look at what it has done over a period of 6 months or 1 year. That is major data that you can analyze. Yes, anyone else? One more question I take.
Vijay sir, you can unmute yourself. Okay, Bharat KM, you can unmute sir. Bharati KM.
Good evening, sir. Hi, sir.
Okay. Yes, Monica. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Hi, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. In
Yes,
mining,
please.
I am coming for only 0.76 points, sir.
Because 5% is the administration charges on any income, whether you get your binary or super matching bonus or your any income that comes and credit to your master wallet. It comes with minus 5% of the income. So if you are in package B and if you are mining $0.8 every day, if you take if you take 5% of that as administration fee, you will see that 0.40 cents, 0.04 cents is a 5% of 0.80. That is why you are receiving 0.76. Same goes with the $2 of mining. It's a 5% on $2. People are receiving 1.90. And all the incomes, this 5% get deducted once it get credited to your master wallet or to your mining wallet.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, well, I would like to say that you guys should also work on these AMAs. AMAs are basically the any ask me anything sessions. And if you guys run these sessions weekly, AMA session, because FAQ is like very frequently asked question, and the way our project is moving, it is becoming more technical and hard to duplicate in the market. So we need to be very much informative, and we need to have very crisp answer, very simple and crisp answer for the queries. And the more AMA sessions we're gonna do, I believe if you do 2-3 AMA sessions a week in just 8 or 10 days, all of your teams, all of these huge teams that you are having and you are growing will be automatically updated about these important questions. Thank you, Sugu. I would let you go, guys, with your scheduled meeting, and I'm going. And my best wishes are with you. I'll see all the qualifiers on Moscow Summit. It is going to be very big. Yes, you have qualification criteria. If you qualify, you are coming to Moscow. But if you want to get reward and if you want to get recognized on such huge platform, it is going to be a 2 days of event because we have many projects coming and pitching with us now. We have very less time to reward all the ranks. So if you want to be one of those who need to get this recognition on Hugh's platform, because it is not a network marketing event, it is a proper blockchain summit event, which you're gonna realize, because you have seen a part of it in Dubai, but this time it is more matured, more big, more content, more projects, more understanding, and you can see the growth of your system that it is happening. So try to be a outstanding performer and try to reclaim your position in the summit. So with this wishes, I would like to say a very good night to you all, and wish you a very good luck. Please keep enjoying, keep rising, keep shining. Enjoy all the wealth, health, and success you are creating with the Oracle. And am really proud to be a part of you. And uh, you guys are amazing. Whatever we are today, I always say, is just because of you guys have been supporting and working with us. It's a community effort which took us so far, and we have just completed 10% of our work of 2.0 journey. This is the first ladder that we have created with the Nomics and Yobit, and you will see your system in next 3 months that it will be one of the top systems of the globe in terms of a blockchain based system. Thank you so much, Subbu. Good luck, brother. Thank you,
थैंक यू
everyone.
सर,
Bye.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। कैसे थैंक्स बोलने का मेरे को मन में, इतना बिजी शेड्यूल में इधर आके कंटिन्यू सपोर्टिंग एंड गाइडेंस। तो आपका मोटिवेशन क्या है? मतलब आप दिन में 2 घंटा 3 घंटा सोता है, वही हमारा मोटिवेशन है। तो हम लोग भी वही कोशिश कर रहे हो। हम लोग बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम कुछ भी बोल नहीं सकते हो, वही इतना बोल सकते हो बस।
Right, and very huge developments are under the process. Uh, I will be on the behalf of ECN. We have a very huge developments which gonna make your ECN one of the top currencies overnight, are already under the process, and you are going to be a part of something very huge in just few days, a few weeks. So let the things take place, let the execution start happening, and then I will inform, because I don't like talking about something which is in the air or not ready. So once the things will be ready, it's going very nice and very high, and just good luck, everyone. Bharti, you have been. You can ask a question, dear, and then I'll go, because you have been writing on chat.
आपके लिए 99 प्लस चैटिंग वेटिंग कर रहे हैं। भारती मैडम, you can unmute yourself and can ask.
Unmuting. Oh, thank you so much for the opportunity. I mean, I have a very important question to ask really about the ECN growth. So the question is like, so usually we have this prediction and forecasting about the coin prices, right? I mean, recently for this project like ECN, what would be the price, sir? I mean, within 1 year or 1.5 year, what is our target of the ECN coin to
Well,
be?
the projection price comes with your objectives that you complete with time, because we cannot only rely on Oracle Academy, right? We
Okay.
need more decentralized academy to be a part of ECN Global. And that is why we are on Yobit, it's a tier 8 exchange where we have a pair with the other currencies. So suppose somebody has Wave Coin, which is top 25 currency, right? And he has opportunity of pair trading with the ECN. So you have someone else out of the community who is trading your coin, right?
Okay.
Apart from it, more pairing in the market with more currencies. Suppose we have come up with a pair of Ripple and ECN, which means that you have a big portion of Ripple community to participate with the ECN as in terms of trading. So the more indexes qualified with the time, you make better prices in the market. It is a long-term project. It is not, tied up with a month or 2 or 3 months. It is, it's a machine. It's a machine code. It will never die. I mean, for
Yeah.
decades and centuries, it will remain. So looking at the 1 year scenario, we are expecting like 20 to 25% of supply out in a market. And if we have like 25 to 30% supply out in the market, which is like 2.7 million is 1%, like more than 100 million if going to be in a market in 1 year. you will be sitting at a price of $15 to $20, which is like 15 to 20 times with 30% of supply out. You need to wonder that with just 1.42% of supply out in the market, you are doing a trading volume of approximately half million to 1
0.7.
million.
Yeah.
Yeah, 500,000 to 1 million a day, and it has never happened before. So looking at the current scenario, in next 3 months we will have approximately a daily trading volume of 3 to 4 to 5 million. And when you have that trading volume, you have a very big chances of not only getting into the indexes, but also getting into the top tier places, and getting the eye of many traders of the globe, attracting many bulls and whales of the globe. So that's the progress. And very soon, in just next 1 month or 45 days, you will see something very, very interesting and amazing associated with the ECN. Probably one of the two biggest project will be a part of ECN, where you will see that ECN is going to have a multi-billion-dollar of market cap very soon.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I think I mark my words. I mean, in one of in a meeting, sir, you told us like hold the ECN coins at least 5,000. You'll be a billionaire.
Well, that what happened, because in 2012, when I was writing the post for Vitalik Foundation, I used to get paid 5 Bitcoin for one post. A Bitcoin was $0.8. So I was getting paid like $4, and from $4 you cannot even buy a burger in London. So it was of no use. It was of no value. If I would have sold my Bitcoins, because I used to make like 15 to 20 Bitcoins a month, when it has no value to me, 20 Bitcoin was then like $16. And just because of I kept the faith in the technology and did not sold it, it's $1 million coin right now. So I mean, on a broader note, on a broader picture, if people are targeting for a week or 15 days or 1 month, they will be not a part of this big growth in their life. Big growth in their life, because many have sold, people have sold Ethereum at $400 like 8 months back, when Ethereum bounced from 200 to 400. The people who believe, that they're still holding Ethereum even as $2,000. So you guys might be holding Ethereum and Bitcoin and everything. You are not selling even with the 2 times or 3 times of the profit. So it takes it's ecosystem development which take time to develop. And once the ecosystem is getting developed, it's very hard to ignore the performance. And performance with any project which ecosystem is building with the time, those projects have definitely performed very well in the market. And that's the same story with everyone. So it's the same story with us.
Absolutely, sir. I agree with you that totally. Thank you for the clarification, sir. Really, thank you so much.
No problem. We've been working very hard on this project, and because I have been a part of a couple of nice developed projects in the past. I have done 3 projects which are the top 20 currencies. So we know how to build indexes. We know how to build the ecosystem of a coin, and it takes some time for you to.
Some time, yeah. So we can't hear you. I think you're on mute. Yeah.
Okay, I'm saying that suppose you have a baby, right? You cannot expect your baby to run in 6 months. It takes time. Your baby will start crawling, then start walking, and then when it will be 2 years old, it will start running. So anything which is in a natural process of growth, it takes time for a thing to get into the natural process of growth. If we are running any Ponzi or any scam, it's very easy. Developing anything for generations and developing anything which going to be recognized worldwide, come on, it will take time. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Karn sir. Thank you so much, your speech. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, dear friends, so Karn sir ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ರಥನ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೋಟ್ ನ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಡಗನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅಥವಾ ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಥವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ECN ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಸಂತ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, no words.
Yes.
Overall, very informative session from your side, and also we are very much lucky actually.
So sorry friends, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು 550-600 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 550-600 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಇದು.
Actually very excited. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ECN ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವೆರಿ ಸೂಪರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಝೂಮ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೂಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ವಸಂತ್ ಸರ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
So
ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ.
Dear friend, thank you so much being with us. And ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. 8, 9, 9:30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 ಅವರ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡರ್ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ, ಫಾಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರ ಕಾರಣ ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ವಿಶೇಷಣೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್